Which CCTV power supply box is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, TIGRS-ECU Power Adapter. First up is the TIGRS-ECU Security Camera Power Adapter. At a price point of just $24.99, what caught my eye was its ability to power up to 9 cameras simultaneously. If you want a reliable and efficient way to keep your surveillance system running, this is worth a serious look. You'll appreciate the included 9-way power splitter, making it compatible with a wide range of brands like Lorex, Samsung, and Swan. Here's why this matters. If you're looking to expand your security setup without a tangled mess of wires, this makes it easy. With over 2,700 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, many users rave about its performance. Now, some people complained about its compatibility being limited to lower wattage devices. Here's the thing though, if you're using standard cameras, this shouldn't be an issue. It's definitely designed for the average user looking for straightforward and efficient power. This is perfect for you if you have multiple standard CCTV cameras. Skip this one if you need to power high wattage devices like PTZ cameras, but at this price, it's a great value for money. Now, if the 9 camera capacity seems a bit much for you, the next option is a solid choice that focuses on fewer channels. Product number 2, EVERS-ECU 18-channel Power Box. Next up is the EVERS-ECU 18-channel DC 12 V10 amp reset fuse power box. Priced at $51.99, this one really impressed me with its safety features and independent fuses. If you want something robust that protects your investment while powering multiple cameras, this is worth a serious look. Each output has its own PTC fuse, which means if one channel fails, the others keep running. This is crucial for maintaining your surveillance system without interruptions. Plus, it's made of durable metal, which ensures that it can withstand wear and tear. With 349 reviews and a consistent 4.6-star rating, users appreciate the peace of mind this power supply offers. Now, some users did mention that the setup can be a bit complex for beginners. Here's the thing though, with a little patience, once it's set up, the benefits far outweigh the initial confusion. It's ideal for anyone serious about their security. This is perfect for you if you have an extensive camera system and want maximum protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler or have fewer cameras to power. Considering the features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something straightforward without the bells and whistles. Product number 3, MAREISA Power Supply Adapter. The MAREISA 12V5A adapter is up next, priced at just $16.99. What really caught my attention here is its compact design with an 8-way splitter. If you want something budget-friendly yet reliable, this is worth a serious look. This power adapter can run multiple devices simultaneously, up to a maximum of 60 watts. With a 4.7-star rating from 326 reviews, users have praised its efficiency and ease of use. Here's why this matters. If you're looking to power several cameras without spending a fortune, this adapter hits the mark. Now, some folks did mention that the cord length could be a bit short for larger setups. Here's the thing though, you can easily extend it with additional cables. For most home setups, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need to power multiple cameras. Skip this one if you have larger distances to cover, but for the price, it's tough to beat. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more protective and durable, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, EVERS-ECU 9-channel Power Supply. Coming up next is the EVERS-ECU 9-channel Power Supply, priced at $37.99. This one grabbed my attention with its metal box design and safety features. If you're looking for a reliable power source with added protection, this is worth a serious look. This unit powers 9 different devices with a current rating of 5 amps. This means that if something does go wrong, your other devices continue to work. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 519 reviews, users appreciate the durability and safety. Here's why this matters. In a security system, having reliable power is key, and this delivers just that. Some users found the fan noise a bit noticeable, which could be a downside for some. Here's the thing though, for the added safety and reliability, many feel it's a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you want a solid and safe power supply for several cameras. Skip this one if noise is a big issue for your setup, but it's a great value for the features you get. Now, if you want something that's even more user-friendly and includes extras, the next product might interest you. Product number 5, Aries Vision 9 Channel Power Supply. Last on our list is the Aries Vision 9 Channel Power Supply, retailing for $34.99. What I found interesting about this one is that it comes with extra fuses and a screwdriver. If you want something that's easy to install and maintain, this is worth a serious look. It's compatible with various devices, making it quite versatile. With a 4.2-star rating from 777 reviews, users appreciate the practicality of this power supply. Here's why this matters. Having everything included for installation makes the setup process smoother, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. However, some users mentioned that the build quality could be improved. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly setup for multiple cameras. Skip this one if you're looking for top-tier industrial quality, but it's a great value for everyday use. So to recap, the TIGRSECU adapter is great for basic needs. The EVRSECU 18 channel is ideal for extensive systems. The MAREISA is perfect for budget-conscious users. The EVRSECU 9 channel offers reliable protection, and the Aries Vision makes installation easy. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your security needs best.